And special thanks to our friends at ThermoMaven, who were nice enough to send us their ThermoMaven F1 Turbo Instant Read Digital Thermometer. Let's see here, meat thermometer for barbecue, grill, smoker, etc. This is the ThermoMaven F1 Turbo, the model HT04. And let's pull our little tab and open this on up here, see what we're working with. Add this out, nothing else in there. And in this is everything you should need. They even include you a AAA battery. So we can open this up. And we got our included battery, that's nice. Little included screwdriver, calibration certificate, and a user's manual. Most importantly, the actual ThermoMaven thermometer. So what's really cool about this is it has this nice lock feature. So it's actually got a nice long thermometer here. And it also has a bottle opener built in. Ain't that nice? Now, to take this off, just use your included screwdriver to unscrew it. Pop in your included AAA battery. Pop this back on, and they got a nice seal there. So, and just retighten this. There we go. And now it's ready to go. So, just open it out. It instantly turns on. Now it is on Fahrenheit. You can click this here to switch it over to Celsius if you would like. I'll leave mine on Fahrenheit. But as you can see, whichever way you're holding it, when I'm holding it this way, it's this way. And then if I turn it upside down, see, it goes that way. Gotta love that. And so if I was to grab this, you'll see it raising up to my temperature. Personally, I love the fact that it includes a bottle opener, love the size of this and how sturdy it is, and this length. This length is great for being able to easily reach whatever you may be trying to check the temperature of. And that will essentially do it for the ThermoMaven F1 Turbo unboxing. This is just a simple look at what comes with this, everything you need to be able to check the temperature of your meat while you're cooking. Thanks again to ThermoMaven, who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.